Alright, we're gonna hide all this right here for now. Back here. Stuff it in the hole, yeah. Make her go, oh yeah. Stuff it in the hole, yeah. Make her go, oh yeah. Let go, look. There you go, guys. Let's turn this off. Boom, boom. What's up, guys? So before we get in this video, I gotta go over the main thing. This project first started about 6 months ago. Is when I first installed the fog lights, and just never got in a hurry with it really, because I just liked how they looked with them off. You know, it wasn't no big deal. But now, as I'm finishing them up, I went to look at, just a while ago, I went to look for the part 1 of this video and couldn't find it. So, let me explain to you. Just remember, it's always better to take your bumper off. And it's so easy a kindergartner to do it. I did good. I want my sticker. So, I mean, I just measured the fog light on, you know, I measured where it needed to be, and then I cut my slot, cut it just a little bit bigger where it can go up in there. Same thing for this side. Measured, marked off. You know how you do when you're measuring stuff. I mean, come on. I did it. So, the whole intentions were them to be inserted in there. But I didn't like it. It's just, I don't know. When you're beside the car, when you was beside the car right here, you couldn't see them. You know, even right here, you couldn't really see them. So I pulled them out to be, you know, flush right here. It just made it look a whole lot better. Do what you want. You know, don't think about what other people would like. You know, it's your car. Do what you want. So, you know, we just cut the whole, like I said, the bumper off. The bumper needs to be off. It's a whole lot easier. Won't nothing get in your way. And then when you get them on there, you know, make sure your wire is long enough. You know, you'll see how we end up, you know, wiring ours up. Let's get on in it. Alright, guys. A couple of weeks ago, we put we modified some fog lights to put in there. We made them where we can tilt them up, down, to get a good, you know, get a good look with it. But we never had time to hook them up, so that's what we're fixing to do now. I don't know if we're gonna hook them up to the headlights, the parking lights, or let's see, where's it at? I got a switch around here. Right here. We might just put it on the switch. I don't know. To me, I feel better. I think it looks better if you just run it and it just come on with your headlights. But I don't know, you know, it just, sometimes people just like running fog lights, you know, so, what do y'all think? Obviously, I can go a route that I'm gonna do, and I can always change it. But I know that fan might be a little loud, so I really could shut the garage door and just open the vent. But a little more room with the door open. Obviously we gotta work in here because Justin still got the BMW in the shop. Still gotta give an update to the BMW. He's got it all broke down, cleaning it up, changing some you know, obvious stuff that needs to be changed. That's gonna be his daily car. Also a project, you know, all at the same time. You know, so we gotta figure out how that's gonna go. But for now, this is what we're focusing on, the fog lights on the G37. So I just pulled the wires out of that. Get these wires out of here. We're gonna run them. We're gonna run a dummy run with the wires out here for now. Before we get them all tucked nice and neatly. Okay, so let me just figure out right quick how we're gonna do the headlights. I mean, how we're gonna do the fog lights. Because I don't know, guys. I think I really want them on my headlights. Shit, I don't know. Let me study on this for just a minute, and I'll be right back. All right, guys. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and run it with the toggle switch. I'll show you in just a second what we did there, but we're in the toggle switch. We're gonna hide these wires here a little better. We got them trimmed in the red here, which we had that for the nitrous solenoid. We went ahead and undone the nitrous solenoid and all that because I'm gonna get another nitrous system for the car. I don't really like this one. This is a safe kit, which safe kits are good. But I want the one I'm looking for, which I know this ain't a nitrous video, but this one here, you have to push the button. I want one where when it hits a certain RPM, it kicks in, and then when it hits a certain RPM, it kicks off. You know, that there can get you in trouble, I guess, just as much as doing the button yourself, you know. But anyway, alright, switch is on. As you can see here, switch is on. Switch is on, but what's going on? Alright, let me just get up here and look, because there we go. Alright. So you're ground. Don't forget, you are ground. Oh, you're ground. Okay, and you're hot. Keep you right there, because you're hot. Stay hot. I love these things, guys. They really come in handy. Alright, we're gonna hide all this right here for now. Back here. Stuff it in the hole, yeah. Make her go, oh yeah. Stuff it in the hole, yeah. Make her go, oh yeah. Oh look. There you go, guys. She's gonna piss off. Tell me she don't look mean. Damn. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Always remember, just keep moving forward. You go backwards, don't go backwards, but just for a minute. And strive back forward. So, with that being said, we love y'all. God bless you. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Share it with your friends. Tell me what you like. Tell me what you want to see. Until next time, God bless you and get with it. Homemade fog light. I did good with him. They wasn't made for it, but I put them on it. They look good.